Hello, this is a review of the Google Calendar features. Hello, so this is going to be the tutorial for the Google Calendars. So I want to start off by focusing more on the left side. You can make separate calendars for separate things in order to organize, and depending on what you have checked off, it'll show those events based off the calendar. These are really old, so I don't have any events attached to them. This is the school year 24-25. You have a mini calendar on the side, and this is organized by week. You can go in the future and the past if you want, and you can change what it's organized by. So right here, if you click week, you can do the next 4 days. You can have it set up in a schedule format where it still does the separate days, but it has little dots showing what events are on these days. Like here on Fridays, I have articles and homework. You can do month. I think that this works great for just like general homework assignments and overview. The Google Calendar also already has holidays in it, so just wait for them to load and then you'll be able to see any holidays. Here is the year. This is not very detailed, but it does show you all the days. And the day, this will just show you what you have going on generally if you have a really busy day. If you click create, this is how you will, if you press create, this is how you're going to be able to add events to your calendar separately. Right here's lunch. It is attached to like Google Gmail, so if you get like video call invites, that does happen, although many of you won't be dealing with that. You can add that in, and now I have it at 11:30 a.m. and then if you click, you can edit it. I can make it all day. If you make something all day, it's going to sit right here above the calendar just so you scroll and see it constantly. This is another example. You can also duplicate. This is how I attach it to whatever calendar I want to attach it to. This is who can see this, other people viewing your account, or just keep it private. If you're using Google Calendar to set up things with other students, right here says modify event, meaning that others can modify the event and add details of their own. And right here I'm going to focus on my tasks. This is just a task list. It's already attached to the calendar, but it's just a side view of it. It's also attached to your email, so that's why you might get notifications from other things there. You can create a new list and start completely fresh. Here's notes. It's just another note-taking area, and you also have like contacts in there, a few other features. So right here, I'm in my student email because that's how you get sent invites through your student email. So I'm going to click View on Google Calendar. My calendar pops up and I can immediately see who said yes to the event and who said no. It'll pop up just already on your calendar. You don't have to do anything else. Going back to the weekly format, if I scroll down, I can see, so these are recurring activities. So what happens is that these will repeat weekly on weekdays, so Monday through Friday. This is also a recurring one, except it only repeats on Fridays at 2:30. You can change right here when they pop up. So maybe I want it to only pop up on once a year, weekday, or it doesn't repeat at all.